everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today we're going to do our NFL Make Your Picks challenge, and then we're also going to do our Scratcher Mania. So we did horrible this last week. My guesses were awful. I only got 4 right, and I got 10 wrong, so therefore we are saving $24. So I mean, I guess I won in that aspect, right? And then here are my picks for week 10. I decided to pick the Bucks over the Patriots, so that's that. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, that's crazy. So I was pretty taken aback by how terrible I did. But so it's our 1, 2, 3, and 4. But like I said before, I don't watch the NFL, so it's all just guesses and feels. So, in total, for 9 weeks, we have saved 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 200. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $204 for 9 weeks. That is awesome. So if we are about there in the next 9 weeks, we should have over somewhere close to, if not over, $400. So that is exciting. So awesome. So next week we will come back and see how we did for week 10. And we will get our Scratcher Mania out. All right, so we're gonna do our Scratcher Mania. We have our paper from Kimmy's Budgets. This keeps track of all of our scratchers. So let me also get a pen. All right, so our first scratcher is for our band, and we owe it, holy crapola, $25. So we now have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So I did take this out of, this is from Ren at Mischief Managed Budgets. It's one of her card challenges. So I did take all of the cards out that I still have left to scratch. And we're just going to go ahead and pick a random one, a random couple probably, and see how we get on. All right. Oh my goodness. And that is an 11. All right. So we'll do one more. And this one is going to go to our band fees. All right. So that is 16. We'll go ahead and write that down for next time. Awesome. I was hoping we could get a couple more done, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 cards left. But that is okay. For our next set of challenges, we have Divine Savings Co. and Budget with Carly, and we owe that one $15. And this is going to go to our Sam's Club shopping because we go there once or twice a month. Depends on what we need. So far we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, and 64. So this one is done. So unless I need it, I'm just going to keep it in here till the end of the month. And then we'll go ahead and let's see. We might use our dice tower to do our scratches. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is a 5. And 1 and 2. And that is 8. And that was a 1. All right, so we're just going to go ahead. 8. It's 14. We're just going to finish it. All right, so that is 10, 16, 19. And then we'll go ahead and do our roll and saves next time. So then we will be able to get a new one in there soon. All right, so this one is from my shop. And we owe it $11. So far out of 32, we have 20, 30, 31. How does that work? I must have had another challenge in there with it. So yeah, we're just going to save a little extra. All right, so we got 3, 5, 7. Plus 5 is 12, and that one will be done. So we will be able to bring in a new challenge for next week. And I have that going to our HOA dues, so awesome. What did I say, 12? So we are getting closer and closer to having our HOA dues fully funded for the year. They're not due until like February, March timeframe. So we got a little bit of time left still on that. And for our debt free by 43, we owe $17. And then all together we have, oh my goodness, our 80 plus is 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Awesome. So we are halfway there. All right, let's go ahead and roll the dice and see. Let's go 1 and 2. All right, so we got a 5. And then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And a 10. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, we're going to stop there then. It's 15 because we don't need to be going too overboard. Because I don't know how we're going to be looking on funds next week. So we got 15 there. And let's see. Oh, jeez. All right, so we have this challenge is from my shop. And we're going to go ahead and finish it out. I don't know how much this is going to save us, so it is a mystery. So we have 4, and 5 is 9, and 10. And I forgot to pay it out, so let me do that really quick. That is $18. Did I miscount somewhere? No. Okay. Well, I hope I didn't. I feel like... All right, so far total, this has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So then we're going to add 10 to it next week. And this one is done. And this one is also done. All right. Okay. No, we're good. Everything else is over 20. So we have our spooky budgets and debt free by 43. We owe this one $20. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So $76. We have a roll and save and scratchers. So let's go ahead and get our D8 so we can get that one knocked out of the way. Let's see what we get. And we got a 2. So not terrible. Let's see what we get on our scratchers. So we'll just go here. That's 2, that's 4. 6 is 10. And 17. All right. And I will finish scratching these off camera until I get my tripod set up to so it doesn't shake too bad. 17. So then we'll be able to finish this one next week. We'll finish those 2 roll and saves and those 2 scratchers. Awesome. And these are going to go to band and birthday. My 5-year-old, her birthday is in like 2 weeks. So I've already ordered a few things for her birthday. So that's exciting. This one is from Rainy Day April, and we owe it $21. And then we'll go ahead and scratch. All right, we got a 5. And a 3 is 8. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 1. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, we got 17. And then we'll be able to finish this one next week as well, hopefully. Yeah, 17. Since that one saves 45, so that one won't be too bad. And let's see. We have these 2 scratchers from my shop. This one was already done, and this one's going to go to Health and Beauty. And this one is going to go to Health and Beauty as well. And we owe it $22. So I did math correctly. Heck yes. I like that when that works out. Because sometimes math is hard. Alright, so far total we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. I feel like there's more in there than... I might have had another challenge in here. I don't know. I'm good at doing that. All right, we got 6 and 3 and 2 and 5. So we have 11, 14, 15, 16. Awesome. And then, oops. And then those are going to be done. Oh my goodness. We have 3 done scratchers. Awesome. And then to replace our Halloween challenge from last week, I got this one from Boss Babe Budgets, and I got it in her Ko-fi membership for free because since, what's it called? November is my birthday month as well. So we'll go ahead and give this a couple scratches. And we got 1 and 2. All right, we got a 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And an 8. That is 11. We'll go one more time. 1 and 2. Oh, 5. So 8 and 8 is 16. All right, so we'll have that. That is not my pen. And I dropped it on the ground. So I guess it's a good thing we're done. All right, let's see what our total is. Awesome. So 138 is our total for next time. And then we'll go on the back here and do our denomination breakdown. And that way we know exactly what gets what and what needs what for next week. Yeah. All right. And as always, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.